Omelette with bell pepper, onion, ham, and cheese. Ingredients: 5 large eggs. Kosher salt and freshly ground black or white pepper. 2 ounces, 55 grams, grated cheddar, pepper jack, or Swiss cheese. 2 tablespoons, 30 grams, unsalted butter, divided. Half of 1 large green, red, or yellow bell pepper, 4 ounces, 110 grams, stemmed, seeded, and cut into half-inch dice. 1/4 of 1 medium yellow onion, 2 ounces, 55 grams, cut into half-inch dice. Pinch smoked paprika. 2½ ounces, 70 grams, ham, about 3 slices, cut into half-inch pieces. Directions: in a medium mixing bowl, season eggs with salt and pepper, then whisk until homogeneous and frothy. Set aside. Meanwhile, add cheese to a medium heat-proof mixing bowl. In a 10-inch nonstick skillet, melt 1 tablespoon butter over medium-high heat, swirling, until lightly browned. Add bell pepper and onion, season with salt, and cook, stirring occasionally, until softened and beginning to brown, about 6 minutes. Add ham and cook, stirring occasionally, until vegetables and ham are browned in spots and smell pleasantly smoky, about 5 minutes longer. Stir in smoked paprika and freshly ground black pepper. Scrape vegetables and ham into the cheese and stir to combine. Wipe out skillet and set over medium heat. Add remaining 1 tablespoon butter and cook until melted and lightly browned. Re-whisk eggs until foamy, then add a skillet and cook, using a silicone spatula to push the edges in toward the center as they set and tilting the pan to spread the uncooked egg underneath. Continue pushing in the edges of the eggs and tilting the skillet, working all around the pan, until omelette is almost set, about 45 seconds. Sprinkle ham, vegetables, and cheese over half of omelette, remove from heat, cover, and let omelette sit until mostly or fully cooked through on top, depending on your preferred consistency, about 1 minute. Using silicone spatula, loosen the edges of the omelette from skillet and shake skillet to ensure that it's not stuck. Carefully fold omelette in half to enclose the filling, then slide it onto a serving plate and serve immediately.